Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you hand handbag designs for more attractive and gorgeous videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends here. Inshallah, wishes I like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern और इस तरह के अमेजिंग से जो आप लोगों को हैंडबैग डिज़ाइन दिखाए जाते हैं, ये काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव और एलिगेंट से आइडियाज़ हैं. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब इफ यू गाइस are interested in my videos to get many ideas from this video, and share it with your friends and family members for getting more attractive, for getting more elegant design. अमेजिंग एंड गॉर्जियस वीडियोस जो कि आप सबको दिखाई जाती हैं, इस तरह की अमेजिंग एंड मोर अट्रैक्टिव डिज़ाइंस हैं. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends inshallah. Be sure how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern for more attractive and gorgeous videos. So friends, this video is so beautiful designs. So I hope कि आप लोगों का ये टोटली डिज़ाइन जो कि हैंडबैग्स हैं for every woman, every girls, every university college girls like carry these handbag designs for getting more attractive and gorgeous ideas. These handbag designs, it's so beautiful design. So I will more attractive and gorgeous videos for getting more unique designs, for getting more attractive designs. So friend, this video is so beautiful design. I hope कि आप लोगों को ये अमेजिंग से क्रॉचेट के डिज़ाइन हैंडबैग डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहे होंगे. So friends, this video is so beautiful, so I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members for more attractive and gorgeous ideas for elegant designs and totally designs को फॉलो करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और इस तरह के अट्रैक्टिव से